Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Vortex on your device. First, open your browser and visit the official Vortex website. If you're new, create an account. If you already have one, simply log in. After signing in, navigate to the download section and select the version that matches your operating system. For Windows, download the Windows installer and run it. If Windows Smart Screen displays a warning, click More Info, then select Run Anyway. If Microsoft Defender flags the application after installation, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Protection History, and choose Allow for Vortex. This warning appears because the application may not yet have an established reputation with Windows. It does not automatically mean the software is a virus. For macOS. For Linux, a Linux version is currently in development and is not yet available. At the moment, there are no official versions for mobile devices or consoles. Mobile support may arrive in the future, while console support will take longer as the developers are currently focused on expanding the platform and its games. That's all for this guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Vortex.